We have almost reached at the end of the stage of our videos, and before that I'll just try to show you how to save this assembly picture. Now the sheet pin basically shows the overall the overall views of our blender. And if you like to annotate them, you can just try to show the the details what you think are significant. All right, so this is our overall dimensions of our blender, and if you want to show the diameter, all right, you can just change the orientation. All right, so these are the two important overall dimensional details. Now obviously each of the part will have its own drawing, its own lay sheet. That is another big task, and I'm just leaving that as a homework for you. If you have undergone a course on Creo Drawing, then you can just try to create the drawings of each of these components as well for practice. And to save this assembly picture, you can just go to file. Firstly you have to save it in your working directory, and from here you can just go to save as, and you can just click on export. Select the type format what you need. For example, I need a PDF. I'll just click on export, and this is the location, and I'll just write the name as Blender Drawing, and I'll just click on save. And the software loads for a while to generate a PDF, and you'll be getting a message over here. It says that PDF file is being created, and now it says that PDF file has been created, and it automatically opens, and you can see this PDF has the important information which we wanted. You can just send this to any supplier or any of your stakeholders associated with this project. Now we have concluded the course. We have learned what is conceptual designing, and obviously this is the first iterations what we have done. We have to send our designs to manufacturing engineers or the suppliers who actually manufacture this part, and we have to sit with them, discuss each component and try to modify them if the resource capability to manufacture them is not as available, and we can just modify the parts depending on the requirements. But overall this is how the the work of product development works in most of the companies, and I believe you have great takeaways from this course. And if you really want to learn more on detailed product development or specifically the Creo software, you can just check out my other courses in my profile. Thank you, and it was really nice working with you on this course. See you in the next course. Thank you so much.